Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we're going to make a clutch purse. So I'll be using, this is lining, back chain, Evostic gum, this is velvet material. Then we'll be using this carton. So these are the measurements for the carton we are going to be using. This is thick carton. The width here is 9 inches. Then like this is 4 inches. Like this 9 inches. Then the width here is like this 2.5. Then this one, the width like this is 4 inches. Then like this 9 inches. The width here is 1.5. Then the length here is 9 inches. Then this one here, this is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. Then here, this part is 3 inches. You can just take a screenshot of the measurements right now. Okay, now so we're going to wrap this with our velvet material. This will be the side of our purse. This will be the down of our purse. This will be the cover. So this is what it looks like. Then I'll add gum to this part now. I'll add gum to all the part of the carton. Then we are going to be flipping it over. So guys, I have added gum to all the part of the carton and I waited for it a little to dry. So I'm going to flip it over starting from this point. So you leave like 1/4 of an inch when you are flipping over. Don't gum it close to their self. 1/4 of an inch should be in between them. Then you turn it over. So now we are going to fold in this excess. When you are cutting your own fabric, just cut out excess fabric that will be enough for you to fold in. After you have arranged your pieces together, leaving half an inch in between them. I didn't gum them together. There are little space in between them. So now we are going to fold in the excess. I'll add gum to the tip and we'll fold in this excess fabric. So I have added gum and waited for it a bit to dry. I just want to cut off this excess a bit. So now we can start folding. So this is what it looks like after adding together. So now we're going to use lining to cover inside of our purse. I will apply gum and leave it for a while to dry before I'll apply my lining to the purse. So I have added gum and waited for it a bit to dry. Then we'll use our lining to wrap it up. Use your hand to smoothen it. So now I will trim off this excess. Let me turn it to this side so I can see it properly. Okay, so I have trimmed off the lining. Now this is what the purse look like. So now for the side, I will measure it. This is 4 inches for the length. Then here, this is 2.5. Then this upper part is 1.5. So I will measure this measurement out on another carton. So we are going to measure. The down part is 2.5. So this is the side. I've already cut it out. This is 2 inches. The down part, this is 4 inches, the length, and this upper part is 1.5, just like I measured it from the purse. So now we are going to wrap this. The front, that's the way we'll wrap this. The front with our velvet, then the inside with lining. That's how I'm going to wrap this one as well. So I have wrapped the side of the purse. Now I will go ahead to fix the side of the purse with the help of glue gun. So I am just holding the side to dry. So go ahead and fix this other side. So now this is what it looks like. I want to gum this part of the purse. So I'm going to glue this side now. Okay, so this is what the purse looks like now. I want to design this front with this trim, which is trim. So I just use my scissors to trim this one pieces out. So with the help of our UA shoe, I'm going to attach it to the purse. So after applying trim, you allow it to dry so it does not remove. So we'll go ahead to design this part too. You allow it to dry. We'll do this part. So for the look, I'm going to use this Velcro 1.5 inches. This is the other one. So paste it on it and we'll add glue to it. I'm holding it to dry. So I have glued this to the bag. Now it's remaining the handle. This is what I want to use for the handle. So I just cut some piece of the velvet material and put inside the hook. We use glue gun to stick it together. I will gum this to the side of the bag. So I will do the same for this other side too. So this handle is ready now. I want to fix this button here. So our clutch course is ready. Tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comment section.